Today, you will learn how to insert print date and time in Word. First, click exactly where you want the print date and time to appear. This could be at the top of the page, the bottom, or anywhere inside your document. Now go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. In the text group, click Quick Parts, then choose Field. A new Field dialog box will open. Inside the Categories drop-down menu, scroll down and select Date and Time. After that, look at the Field Names list and choose Print Date. This special field tells Word to display the date and time the document was last printed, instead of the current date. Next, move to the Field Properties section and choose the date and time format you like best. You can display only the date, only the time, or both together, depending on your needs. Once you've selected the format, click OK. The Print Date field is now inserted into your document. The best part is that you don't have to update it yourself. Every time someone prints the document, Word automatically refreshes the Print Date field to show the latest print date and time, making it perfect for documents that need an accurate printing record. If you don't see the updated value immediately, simply print the document or update the fields by selecting the document and pressing F9 if needed. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe.